Oh, that was kind of accident. I didn't get much. 2 branches. Now just sit here and wait till we get a bite. Get a few nibbles. Now loosen up here on the fringe here. I'll get some bites. Got a big one. Come on, he right here. This is good eating. Good eating here. Oh, this is a nice one. I haven't ate one of these for 2 years. Pretty nice size there. Now all we gotta do is unwrap them. I wonder if I can catch another one.
Are you going to eat them for dinner?
Yeah, put him in the ice chest. Someone down there, put him in the ice chest. Wonder what I'll catch next. Got one. I got a nice one here. What the heck? I haven't caught one of these ever in my life. Caught a few shoes. Caught some weird stuff. I caught a car once. Now my line's tangled up. I might have to go get my tackle box. There ain't crap in here. My braces are away. I need to go change them. My braces are away. My braces